Hello everyone, I'm Ben, and in this video I will show you how to use Elegant.Menu. So after you log in, you come to this page which is your dashboard, and on the top section you can immediately download the QR code for your menu and place it on the tables for your clients to be able to scan. But right now your menu is empty, so let's create the menu first. So scroll down to this section, which you can see here. It says menu, and press on this button. Let's create another category like desserts. Press enter. Now you can create as many categories as you want. Now press this button and open the category. Let's add a menu item. So here you can add the item name and the ingredients or description, whatever you want, some text here, and then the item price. So let's say 8, and discounted price if it has a discounted price, and also photo of the item, of the food item, so you can upload here. And these are the allergens which are mandatory in some countries. You can choose the allergens that the specific food item contains, and then you press add menu item. So then after you edit this category, you can close this and you can add items to the second category. After you made the changes, you can press save menu. Please be careful to press save menu, because if you don't, all your changes will be lost. So after you finish editing your menu and you create your menu, you can now return to your profile section and then update your business info. So here you can add your restaurant logo, and this is your business name. So for example, Star Restaurant. And then you can choose the currency from the currency list, or you can choose no currency if the currency is not listed here. So you can also send us an email and tell us which currency you want to add and you cannot find. For now, let's choose euro. Then the phone number of the restaurant, the address, the Instagram and Facebook URLs, and a short description about you and your business. After, you can press save changes. So this section is related to the orders, and when customers choose food items and then they create orders. So by default, when you log in, the orders are not enabled, so you need to click on this switch to accept orders. So for all the free accounts, we give 20 monthly orders that they can try this feature and this functionality. So in this part, you will choose which type of orders you provide. So do you provide only dine-in, only takeaway, or what types of orders you provide? So let's enable all, because we want to see on the front end how it looks. And this part is very important. This is order passcode. By default, the order passcode is disabled like this. So anybody from any location can create orders. This has some benefits and some drawbacks. So the benefit of it is the ease of use for the final customer, that they don't need to fill this field when they are creating orders. But the downside is that anybody from any location can access your menu, because it's on the internet, right? So your menu is on the internet and it's SEO optimized. So everybody can find your menu and create an order, which is not what you want, because then you will be getting a lot of orders which are not true. So we recommend keeping this disabled, and if you see you get some unauthorized and wrong orders, then you can come here and choose a passcode. So let's choose a simple passcode like 49, and then you press save, and then the order passcode will be 49. For very busy and large restaurants, we recommend changing this passcode on a daily basis. So now we adjusted these settings for our orders. Now let's discuss these pages and these buttons and what they do. So first button is manage orders. So usually when you open your restaurant in a new day, you should first accept switch this button, then you can come to the managing order section. Right now you see for today I don't have any orders. So let's go to the public facing menu and create an order. Let's also remember the order passcode because we need it. So let's come to the public menu. So this is a public menu. So I can, for example, choose pizza and pasta, let's say. Now I press on create order. Now I can increase the quantity, of course, like this. On the next step, I can choose the order type. So if it's dine-in, we ask for name, table number, and as you can see, order passcode. So for takeaway orders, we don't ask for table number, obviously, because it's takeaway. And for delivery orders, we ask the delivery address. So let's say we are inside the restaurant and we want this type of order. So let's say this is me, Ben, and my table number is 4, and the order passcode was 49. And these are some notes that the customer can add to the order, so your chef will see them and understand if there's a specific requirement from your customer. So let's create an order. As you can hear, as soon as you get an order, you will hear bell sound. Now in your manage orders section, you see here how you can choose how to process this order. So some restaurants, like for fast food restaurants, they choose to get the amount of the payment first and then they prepare and deliver the order. For some other luxurious restaurants, they ask the payment at the end. So you have full flexibility here. But let's say we are a fast food restaurant with a lot of orders and we want to get paid first. So and at this part, you received an order, but it's in pending status. So then the cashier will get the money, or somebody with the POS system will go to the table 4, and ask for the amount. And then they will mark this order as paid, like this. Now, you can add other statuses, as for example, if your chef is preparing the order, you can press this button and make it as preparing, and when it's ready, you can obviously make it as ready. So after the order is ready, the waiter will deliver it to the customer, or the customer will come to get his order for fast food restaurants. Now, let's go to the second page, which is public orders. In public orders, so this is a page that you would normally connect an HDMI TV and put it high on the counter, like for example like this. And it will display the orders and people will understand when their order is ready. We also display order passcode, so all the customers that are inside the restaurant will be able to see the passcode for today, and then they can place their orders. You can also press this button to make this screen full screen, so in a TV it will look nicer. So after you receive orders, you will see that you get one order out of 20, which is the limit for free accounts. So if you use this feature, we believe you will like it, and you will purchase a subscription plan which will increase your order limit, and then you can get real analytics data about your business, which can be very useful. So that's the next page that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see, you will see a graph about orders and total revenue for each day of the month. You can change the month from here, and then you will see the revenue and the total number of orders. And in this page, you will see all of the orders that you have received. You can also mark the orders as delivered, like this, or cancelled if they are cancelled. So I think that's it, and please send us your feedback, and if you have any issues or comments or features that you would like to have, please let us know at this email that you can see here. Please also follow us on Instagram to get the updates about new features and capabilities. Thank you very much, and happy cooking!